and I'm the volunteers coordinator of Destination Lisbon. So the Wolf Conservation Project aims to help the Iberian wolf species. These species only exist, well, in the Iberian Peninsula, so Portugal and Spain, and in the north. It has been in extinction not only because of the hunters, but also because of the farm workers, because the wolves attack the cattle. And so the government is trying to give money to the farmers to compensate for the losses, but still it's too late now. So what the center does here near Lisbon, the center is around 45 minutes from Lisbon. So what they do is just rescue the wolves that were in captivity for circus or pet wolves and stuff like that, and try to give them the most wildlife scenario possible. So they don't breed the wolves. There's 14 wolves at the center right now. They have around 18 acres to run free and wild. The only thing that the volunteers have to do, hard physical work. So just go around the area. It's a big forest, so just clean up to make sure that there are no fires, make observation shifts during the night, make sure that the wolves are feeling okay, give them water, cut the meat and feed them, and well, relax in this beautiful scenery that they have over there.